Understanding, that's a shame, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, that's a shame. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English speaking skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, "That's a shame," is used to express sympathy, disappointment, or regret about a situation. It's a way to acknowledge something unfortunate that has happened. For example, if someone says they failed a test, you might respond with, "That's a shame," to show that you feel sorry for them. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are some examples. 1. Empathy. I heard your vacation got cancelled. That's a shame. 2. Disappointment. They're out of your favorite ice cream? That's a shame. 3. Regret. I can't believe I missed the concert. That's a shame. When saying, "That's a shame," your tone and body language are crucial. It's generally said with a tone of empathy or sympathy. Your facial expressions should match the sentiment, showing that you genuinely feel bad about the situation. Other phrases that convey a similar meaning include, "That's unfortunate. What a pity. I'm sorry to hear that." Using these phrases interchangeably can add variety to your conversations. And that's all on the phrase, "That's a shame." We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. See you in our next video.